Hi, I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahle Bath High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are studying same our physics class 11th or intermediate first year we can say. And in today's session we will going to learn one of our last chapter related to this inter first year physics, and the name of the chapter is kinetic theories. I already wrote the definition related to kinetic theory. Before that I would like to tell one thing, that our physics can work for inter first year like MPC as well as BPC, because in both the groups you can see physics is common, and this IPE is only the base related to NEET for BPC students, JEE mains and MSET for MPC students. So make sure if you are thorough with IP syllabus and IP things, that is intermediate public examination things, notes, theories, then only you can attempt this competitive examination. Why I am saying this thing means because we are just closing our textbook or we are closing our IPE syllabus. That's why I am telling few tips to you. So let us discuss the definition related to kinetic theory. So first we need to know what is kinetic theory. The body of theory which explains the physical properties of matter in terms of motion of its constituent particles. Kinetic name itself we can say motion. So here we can see the definition. It is the theory that explains the bodies and the physical properties of matter in terms of motions of that particles we can say. After this we have one introduction related to this chapter, that is ideal gas equation. You can see here IDEAL, GAS gas, EQUATION equation. So we will going to discuss the ideal gas equation. So ideal gas equation in terms of pressure, volume and absolute temperature is given by. So if we have ideal gas equation in terms 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 of, like we can say pressure, PRESSURE pressure, P volume, VOLUME volume, V, and we can say what I said just now, like temperature we can say, or absolute temperature, whatever you want to say, TEMPERATURE temperature T. So the equation we have with us like PV is equals to mu RT. What is the term here? I will not going to tell, you have to tell me, because we have already come across with the two chapters. One is like thermal properties of matter and another chapter was, yes, tell me, the chapter really for important for your 8 marks. Why I am smiling means because the chapter is related to the 8 marks. In that we have already come across with these terms, and the name of the chapter is thermodynamic, and in sequence the chapter is chapter number 13 related to intermediate first year IP physics. Now we are speaking about ideal gas equation. So here we have different things. In some cases we may write P is equals to KB, okay, then NR, and what is here we have with us, Now I want to explain these terms. You need to listen carefully and write also. First, you need to put heading chapter number 14, kinetic theory. After writing this kinetic theory, you can just write a small definition related to the kinetic theory, and this is for your knowledge and for important knowledge point of view as well as examination point of view. You have to write ideal gas equation. After writing this, you may write ideal gas equation in terms of pressure P, volume V and temperature T is given by P is equals to PV is equals to mu R T, or else you can write PV is equals to KB N R. So here mu is nothing but number of moles, N is nothing but number of molecules. Here you can see the difference between mu and N. Here mu is nothing but number of moles, N is nothing but number of molecules, whereas R we know that is universal gas constant, and PVT you have to tell me. Already we have wrote on this PVT. P is pressure, V is volume, T is temperature. Done, simple. Now we have few constant values with us, and the constant value of R with us, I think this value we already come across in our previous chapters, that is 8.314 joules moles by mole per second, we can say, like Kelvin per second, and we have the constant value related to Kb is equals to 1.38 into, like we can say, 10 power minus 23 joules Kelvin, and this is per second. So this is related to ideal gas equation. Now our next topic is kinetic theory of an ideal gases. If you want, you can just pause this video for few seconds and copy down the thing which is written on board. So our next topic is kinetic theory of an ideal gas. In this we have many postulates or points we can say related to gas. In this session we will going to learn the average kinetic energy, temperature, molecular density, mass of molecules, means of squared speed, as well as we will going to check the relation between rays of temperature and kinetic theory, etc. End of the thinking capacity we will going to learn in this session, as well as I will going to put on your screen few points once I have done with these points. Starting with kinetic theory of ideal gas, it is usually given by the relation P is equals to 1 by 3 N M, and we can say here V bar square. This term you might have seen first time. This is nothing but this has its own name, and the name of this I am writing on in front of you, on board in front of you, as you can see. Mean of SQUAR ED squared speed. What is mean of squared speed? You may going to learn in your higher level physics. In this equation you can see P is here pressure, whereas N is, you know that small n we have with us, this is called as number density of molecules, and small m we have with us like mass of molecules. Next I will going to tell one more point related to the kinetic theory of an ideal gases, that is average kinetic energy. What is average kinetic energy? For this, the average kinetic energy here usually like given by En is equals to half. What is half? 1 by 2 mv square, and this can be written in different forms, like this can be write 3 by 2 kBT, and this again becomes like we can say just we need only V, this V. So for that we have doing multiple steps, and finally we are getting like V is equals to under root of 3 kBT by m. So this is the we can say velocity or average kinetic energy related to this. Next, temperature, the relation between temperature and gas. So here we have many things with us, like the temperature of gas is measure of the average kinetic energy of a molecule and independent of the nature of the gas or molecule. So what is here? It is saying that kinetic energy of gas is measured, the average energy, that is kinetic energy. Here we can say the measurement of temperature is gives average kinetic energy of a molecule, and this is independent of nature of gas or molecule. In a mixture of gases at fixed temperature, the heavier molecule has the lower average speed. The translational kinetic energy E is equals to 3 by 2 kB and T. Then PV is equals to 2 by 3 E. Here we can say that if the gases have mixed at a fixed temperature, the heaviest molecules has the low average speed. That means if I have mixing few gases in a container, say we have hydrogen, we have some other gases with us, and we are mixing in a container, and we are keeping that container temperature constant. At that point, what we can say that the heaviest molecule has low speed, and here low speed means low kinetic energy. And we have one more type of kinetic energy with us, like translational kinetic energy, and the formula for that is E is equals to 3 by 2 K, B and T. So here we have different theories with us. Now we have one more term like mean free path of the gas molecule. Here the mean free path of the gas molecule usually given by lambda is equals to 1 by under root of 2 then n pi d square. This is the formula related to the, we can say that mean free path, MEAN, mean free path of gas, we can say. Next, here we have few terms with us, lambda we know that, and n we have value with us, pi we have value. Here d is nothing but distance or diameter of a molecule. If we have a molecule with us, the diameter of that molecule is nothing but d square. Next we have one more thing related to this, like root mean square, RMS. We have, this is an important term we need to remember, RMS, RMS, RMS. It will not going to leave you, especially in competitive examinations. So here RMS have its own value, and we can already say that we have VRMS is equals to under root of 3 RT by M. So this is the formula related to RMS. Next we have many things with us. The mean free path is the average distance traveled by the moving particles between successive collisions which modify its direction or energy. If gas consists of n molecules, with speed c1, c2, c3 so on up to cn, then CRMS is equals to under root of c1 square plus c2 square plus so on up to cn square by n. So this is the theory points related to the kinetic theory of an ideal gases. I am going to place this point on your screen. You need to read, understand, write and remember this point from screen. Hope you have see the point. Now we will going to continue same physics 11th class. In our next session, I am Syed Rashid. Have a great time. Take care. Maintain notes. Thank you.